You can absolutely freeze meatloaf after cooking it. This is a fantastic method for meal prepping or simply saving leftovers for a future, easy dinner. The process is straightforward, but following the correct steps is crucial for maintaining the meatloaf's flavor and texture. The most important step, before anything else, is to let the meatloaf cool down completely. Never attempt to freeze a warm or even slightly warm meatloaf. Placing warm food in the freezer will create condensation, which then turns into large ice crystals. These ice crystals will damage the structure of the meat, resulting in a mushy and watery texture when you eventually thaw it. To cool it properly, let the meatloaf sit on the counter until it's no longer hot to the touch, which usually takes about an hour. After this initial cooling, transfer it to the refrigerator to chill thoroughly for at least a few more hours. Once the meatloaf is completely cold, you can prepare it for the freezer. Proper wrapping is the next essential step to prevent freezer burn, which dries out the food and negatively impacts its taste. You have a couple of options here, depending on how you plan to serve it later. You can freeze the loaf whole, or you can pre-slice it for individual portions. For a whole loaf, wrap it very tightly in a layer of plastic wrap. Press the wrap against the surface to remove any air pockets. Then, add a second layer of protection by wrapping it tightly in heavy-duty aluminum foil. As an alternative, you can place the plastic-wrapped loaf into a large, resealable freezer bag, making sure to squeeze out as much air as possible before sealing it shut. If you prefer to freeze individual slices, wrap each slice separately in plastic wrap first. This prevents them from sticking together in a solid block. Once each slice is wrapped, you can place all of them into a single large freezer bag, again removing the excess air. Don't forget to label the package. Use a permanent marker to write the contents, such as cooked meatloaf, and the date it was frozen. For best quality, cooked meatloaf should be consumed within 3 to 4 months of freezing. When you are ready to enjoy your meatloaf, proper thawing is key. The safest and most effective method is to transfer it from the freezer to the refrigerator and let it thaw overnight. This slow thawing process helps it retain its moisture and texture. Avoid thawing meatloaf on the countertop, as this can encourage harmful bacteria to grow. Once it's fully thawed, you can reheat it. The best way to reheat a whole loaf or several slices is in the oven. Place it in an oven-safe dish, add a splash of beef broth or water to prevent it from drying out, cover it with foil, and bake it around 325 degrees Fahrenheit until it is heated through. Following these simple steps ensures your frozen meatloaf will be just as delicious as the day you first made it. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more kitchen tips.